All right, matey. Recording a simulation here. Um, yeah. So I did the random thing. Where is it? I'm going to do this date, 21/07/2019, and you can see in here, 21/07/2019. So here we are. I'm not going to spend too much time on the weekly and daily and stuff, because I really think they don't matter much. So the daily, yes. The weekly, not really. Well, let me see the daily here. We have a zone here on the daily. I would say something like this. Maybe time. Yeah. So we still have room to go up. We also have those weeks here. Those weeks I'm going to put them on red. So yeah, this is the week, but normally it's that zone that matters. We don't know, but we have room to go up a bit to this shadow area. I'm going to do the same in the bottom, something like this, and cloning all this to the 4 hour. So 4 hour for now, it's bearish, but we have another zone here. So I'm going to put a line. I'm going to put a line here. So this is daily, this is daily. This will be 4 hour zone, something like this. Also going to clone this. Let's see the 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to move to New York Open. Where is the thing? Okay, I lost the thing. Is here. Okay. Sessions. I want the 1 hour bar. And I'm going to move to 2 hours before New York. Okay, this is pre-New York, and this is a very nice setup here. We have a bullish 1 hour close at support. This might be interesting. Just the momentum is too big on the upside. Way too big. That's the only thing I don't like. Let me see the 30 minutes here. Try to go down, close bullish, and we have a bit of room. How many pips is this? So yeah, I'm going to try this. This is a 1 hour bullish close at support or kind of support. We have clean traffic in the 1 hour. We don't have it in the kind of. If we discount this is trouble. This zone, but I can break even when we get there or something. So let's see. Might be good. So okay, I'm going to your risk profile 2%, and I'll manage as it goes. So. And I'm going to buy in visual mode. I'm going to put my stop a bit below 11 pips. This one, this is rejection here. This rejection, yeah, it's also like that. So I'm going to leave this one here. This is like 16 pips. I think I will be breaking even if we get here. And let's see how it behaves. Except, no, let me see the 15 minutes first. Yeah, 15 minutes is also heading up. Again, this is the 1 hour close. That's what I'm buying. It's the 1 hour close. Get support. So I'm going to give it a try, but I'm going to manage on the M15. Let's see how it goes. I, we still have to overcome those weeks there. We closed bullish for now. We break the low of this one. Might be tricky. This might be tricky, but this is just some rejection for now. Just some. This needs to go up. Okay, that's a very, very nice close. Also the close of the 30 minutes, which is a very good close. Let me put the trades here in pips. Let's see, I need like 11 pips, 10 pips. When I get to that shadow area, I'll do something. Three pips, this is still nothing. Let me see the M15. It's very shy going up. Still good. Hmm. Hmm. This M15 closed above. Like we have a mini support here. This one closed above, it went up, tried to get those peaks, it didn't manage to. Might come here. If we close below this shadow area, I will be managing my risk here. Or if we get below that zone. So let's see. Okay, tested support. Okay, if we break this low, I'm definitely going to manage my trade. Okay, we broke this low. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So managing here, managing. Let me see the M30. Okay, bullish, bearish close in the M30 and breaking the low. All right, I'm just closing. I'm not interested anymore. Not interested anymore. Rejection here in the 1 hour. Breaking the low of the 1 hour, also not interested. So I'm closing my trade. That's it. Let's see how it goes. Now M30. Let's see, because let's see the options here. What we have, what we have here. We have room if we break those lows, if we break these lows here, because this is rejecting this area here. It touched this week, it closed bearish. I don't take a trade. I don't take a trade right now in in this uh, in this in this area right now in this break in the break of this low because we don't have room to go. This is like 4 pips. This is nothing. But if we come down and we break those weeks here, we have some room to go. Let's see. Yeah, we have like 9, 10 pips to go to this next zone. So still not a good range, but let's see. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to play. So we have two M30 candles closing bearish, but we have none of the 1 hour. So let's see. Okay, this is starting to get interesting now. Very, very interesting. Because this 1 hour is going to close bullish again. Maybe. The M15. Let's see. This M15 is about to close. Rejecting again. Let's see if we break the high of this M15. Because now we have a range. And if we break out of the range to the upside, it's a buy. It's a buy, and we have this area to go. This is what Raja wants to see to take a counter trend trade. Now M15 closed bearish again. M30 is rejecting. Very, very good rejection of the upside. How is the sessions going? We are just opening New York. So we might see the break of those weeks. Let's see. Or no. Oop, this is the 30-minute candle. Loads of momentum going up, breaking that 15, breaking the M30 high. Also breaking here. Just a minute, mate. Just a minute. So my idea here is we are opening New York. We break the high of the 30-minute candle, and we might come here to this area here. That's what I see what I see happening. Let's see, we have 5 minutes to go. We didn't broke yet, we didn't close above yet, so let's wait for this 15 minutes to close. I just don't want to waste pips because we might stop here, you know. 1 hour is engulfing also. Yeah, if I lose it, I lose it. I just I need to see the close of M15 and then the break. Okay, we close like this. Now, if we break up the M15, I'm in. Definitely in. Okay, that's it. So M30 has a lot of momentum. You see, the break of this M30 was already a good giveaway. And now we are on this gray area, which is trouble. This is trouble in here. So we might reject this thing. But I'm still gonna give it a try. Let's see, because it's a huge should I give it a try? Rejection there, come down. This was a false break here. higher low. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. So it's a buy here. Stop. Where do I put my stop? This is 13 pips away. And 15 tells me this is only 11. So I need to go further a bit. Well, I'm just going to put my targets far away, something like this, and let it run. And I'm going to manage it on M15. Okay. We are touching the trouble area. Counting on New York volume to go. M15 closed bullish, very well. What do I need? Let's see when we touch that gray area what happens. M30 closed very well, barely has a wick. 1 hour is looking great. Okay. Okay, that's a bearish M15 close. Not compromising for now. But if we break the low, I might do something. Let's see. Okay. Broke the high. Again. Again. So now we might come here. So I'm managing my trade. I'm closing 50% again. And we should expect a little bit of retrace here. And let's see if it can go. We were expecting this trouble zone, isn't it? But we closed a little above. So this is just M30 wicking down, I suppose. Let's see. I'm not putting my risk back because we have this area here. And, very shy going up. Come on, man, move. Bullish close. Okay, break the high. 8 pips, 8.7. Let's go. A bit more. Ah, there's no momentum going up. Okay, now we are talking. This is only 50% of the trade, 12 pips. Yeah, I'm closing 80% here. Let's see if he can run. 50 is almost there also. So it's going to react in here anyway. But how do we know? We don't know. But 50% is just there. Closing 80% here. Letting the rest run a bit. Setting break even. Let's see if we can have a bit more. I truly doubt it because we are lacking this the momentum that where is the sessions? We are opening New York SE now. That's a good close, just above. We have clean traffic now, so it would be good. So this looks great. Yeah, this looks great. Almost tempted to get another trade here, but because we broke this thing here, and yeah, it looks like it's continuing up. But again, this is already a 50% retrace here, and I don't wanna. I know Raja doesn't look at that, but I often see the 50% thing. Did you see how this hour close was a good trade, even though just had this problem of rejecting a bit, but after this higher low, man, I should have entered in here, to be honest, in the break of this week and counting the momentum. This was too safe, and then it ended up costing me 50% of my trade. That was the problem there. Let's play it a bit more. 50%. This is where the reaction is happening. Let's see if we can break it up again. Where's the next volume now? Next volume is in 1 hour. London close. All right, looking good. Oh yeah, looking very good. So we might even. Oh, ooh, that's a huge rejection. Huge rejection. Will it break up this rejection? Wow, that would be amazing. 30-minute broke the high here. 1 hour broke the high. Looks great in the 1 hour. Looks really, really great. Look at this. I think we are going to target that like this, or at least a bit more. Wicking down again. This is the new hour candle, has to wick down. Rejecting support here. You can see the 1 hour. Now it's the golden zone there. It's really the golden zone. Yeah, yeah, no, nothing. Now we are going down. We broke already this support. So this is going to be it's going to be a break-even trade. We are coming here very easily. We are breaking here, so I'm just going to let it run. Are we going again? Second chance, third chance. Bullish close. Approaching London close. Okay, this is already nothing. It's not going anywhere. London close. London close now. So yeah, I'm just going to move forward now. Like this. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, a shy profit for Monday. So let's move to Tuesday. 1 hour bar. Just 2 hours before London, before New York. All right, now it's Tuesday, and let's see. The 4 hour look like this. We are rejecting again the same support from yesterday, and yeah, 4 hours in the middle of the candle. The 1 hour looks like this. It would be a great trade in the break of this 1 hour low after this rejection, but we didn't start it yet, so yeah. Now we are rejecting this area here. So tricky. We have another rejection here, another here. So we might want to see this was a false break in here, so the resistance stands still in here in this zone, I would say. Yeah. So this is kind of the same resistance. I don't count with this. This is a false break here. So if we get above this zone, I might be interested to buy, but in here is just too tricky because of those zones there. We can also reject here and come down. If that happens, that might also be a trade. Let's play. 1 hour looks incredibly bullish. Rejecting. Um, Broke its own low. They're about to. Okay, now it's the time. If we break this low, I'm looking for this zoning here. We are in the rejection of that area. If we break the highs, there's nothing going on because I don't want to risk there. We broke the high. Okay, so strong rejection, strong rejection. Five minutes to close. We close bullish, very bullish. 1 hour looks incredibly bullish. 30 minutes looks bullish. But yeah, we need to see a close above this zone here. A close or something more out of the range. Now this is interesting because we already broke those with those 2 weeks. Interesting, but let's see the let's wait for an M15 close. We break this week already. Because everything was too fast. Too fast. Wow. So how much do we have here from those weeks? 7 pips. Ooh, man. Yeah, we didn't get a close, and this is very, very difficult. Maybe a pending above this one, but as you can see, it's very tricky. He went 8 pips and then 9 pips. Very, very tricky. So let's wait for this close in 5 minutes. Huge rejection for now. Okay, we closed bullish. 30-minute closed inside of this range, which is what it is. So we might see something coming down. We might see that. If we break this low, I might be interested after this rejection here. Yeah, for the upside, I just to break this week up. The weak fill is like forget it. We are again inside the range. We are again inside the range, so we need to. If we want to go out, we need to see something outside of the range. Oh man, oh man, completely blew up. What a shame, what a shame. But this is a very difficult trade to catch, man. It went up, it come down, it went up, it come down, it went up, it come down. Okay, we have a 30-minute close here. And we are about to open New York, so we rejected this zone here. Yeah, this zone here. Now we are heading to this one. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Very strong momentum. Raja plays a lot with that, with the momentum of the candles. But this one, if this one breaks its own high, this can be interesting. But also it might be interesting to have a candle coming from support here. Let's see the M15. Support is just here. And if we have an M15 closing bullish after rejecting this, that would be awesome. Okay, M15 is closing inside the range, inside the range, inside the range again. Now let's see if we have a rejection going up. This is too fast to go down. Too fast to go down. Because we have an M30 close here inside the range. And we broke that M30 down. But where do I put my stop in there? Well, 17 pips. It's not enough. We should come back to this area here. Let's see how the candle plays because it broke in the first minutes, and yeah, that's not what I want to see. Oh yeah, yeah, I should have taken it to be honest. Yeah, just it closed inside the range, wake up a little. It's just it was in the first minute, but that's normal when you have a lot of momentum. Yeah, I missed this one. I missed this one. And now we are in this support. That momentum is still very, very strong. M15 close, about to close. Super bearish. Man, those are the candles that gives you no chance, man. It's like, wow, fuck me. What do I do now? You cannot trade this shit. Not like this. Man, let me see the 1 hour. Huge rejection on the 1 hour. Break of the low of the 1 hour. That would be awesome. Okay, we kinda close at this support. A bit below. Let's see this close. We are rejecting this little bit here. Now it should come down. But again, this is not something that I want to trade. Not at all. Because this is the 1 hour resistance here. Support. You don't have room for anything in there. If we go up, we might have something going up. We're rejecting this. Now we are breaking above. 2 M15 candles. No, we cannot do this. We cannot do this because we break below the zone. We were just rejecting. Now we are inside the range, but we don't know if it's just going to wake up and then come down. Let's see the M30 close. See how it goes. Alright, M30 has closed. Bullish with a big rejection on the upside. 1 hour, 1 hour, huge rejection there, a huge rejection here, but that bearish rejection is bigger than this one. M30. Oh, this is the 1 hour close. The 1 hour closed bearish with rejection. M30 closed bullish with rejection of the upside. At support. 6180, golden zone there. If this was the 1 hour close, I would be in immediately. But man, I need to do a trade. Where's the 4 hour looking? 4 hour is bullish, and we closed above all this. But he also came up and tested this area here. Still looks bullish. Closed bullish, came 2 week down. Now he's moving up. One hour is rejecting. Okay, if we break, I'm not trusting this M30. But if we break the high, I'll take it to the upside. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And if we break the low, are we good? If we break the low here to come down, 7 pips wick, 10 pips. This is not enough range. This is not enough range at all. Can't do that. Okay, it broke the low. It's probably coming here, but I need to do a trade. That's 7, 8, 9, 10 pips in here. 10 pips in here, 10 pips in here. Yeah, okay, so I'm doing a 10-10 going down here. I'm a bit lost, like 1.3 pips. Okay, so I'm selling here. I'm not counting for the candle to go again. Let's see if I can get to this. The trades. They need to manage an M15. Let's see. Okay, we fill up the week. Kinda. Let's see if it continues. Bit more, come on, bit more. Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't do that. We don't have a close yet. Man. Man. This is rejecting. This is rejection again. We are above this. I'm not interested anymore. So, yeah, cutting it. Not a stupid trade, but it's just, it looks like it's going up now. So, I'm just not taking the risk. Bullish M15. It's coming all back. Let's see. And this is a higher, this is a higher low than this one. If we break this zone, if we break this zone here, might be interesting to go up. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. Oh, there we go. Okay. M30 breaking this high after the rejection. So 1 hour looks rejecting a lot. Yeah, so I'm buying here with stop just below M15, 11 pips. Let's see how it goes. We need to pass that week. We closed above, which is very good. Above that zone, we came down and retested. We need to close above. Shit. Okay, looking great. Okay, how much do I have? 9 pips. I'm taking just 50% just to secure something and letting the rest run for a bit more because we might see the high. Okay. 15. What we have there? Yeah, I'm closing another 50% here. So let's see, we might see the high. Setting break even, of course. Oh, ooh, look at that shit. It's just, nah, fucking hell. We didn't saw the high. So yeah, how are we in terms of sessions? We still can trade, but it's not. Let's go. Let's move to the next day. This was my trade, and this was a loss. This was a nice win, 50 plus 50. I closed like 75% of the trade. End up not giving much profit, but mm, it's all right. Let's move to the next day. So another rejection here. Another there. Just amazing how market rejects those zones. Okay, here we are. 2 hours before, and we finally we finally saw that zone there after not going there. And oh, this is M15. Let me look at M30. Taking everything out. Areas. And but, okay, so we have this zone here, which is about the same, about the same, yeah. And we also have this zone here. This is trouble. This is trouble, but let's see. What about to the upside? Looks very bullish. We might have a weak fill in the 1 hour, but yeah, you don't want to risk it because it rejected here, it might reject here again. And yeah, you have a 30-minute bearish, 15-minute bearish. You don't wanna buy this, of course not. Now, if you create some sort of support here, I might think on it. Let's see, let's play. Yeah, there we go for the weak fill. Just too fast when there is momentum. That's why the impulse entries are so important. Okay, no weak at the top in the 15-minute candle. It's not yet volume time. So let's see what happens. Rejected again. 30-minute closed bullish, 15-minute closed huge rejection. I cannot trade this. We have no room to go here. If we break below here, this might be interesting. Very interesting. But for now, we are 1 hour from the open. There we go. Yeah. So we completely feel the week there. Now let's see what happens. This is 4 hour support. We are in the 4 hour zone, and this shit doesn't stop. Only when I'm not into a trade, this shit doesn't stop. Just incredible momentum going down right now. What's our next zone in the 4 hours? Just here. So we are again there. I should have get into it. This trade, okay, the mistake here. The mistake here is not getting into the trade when we broke this high. But the thing is, I have the 4 hour support there, the 4 hour resistance there. So this can do this again. You know, fuck me. But yeah, this is volume time, and the thing just broke like crazy. And it pisses me off like this. 1 hour before London, 1 hour before, and it's breaking the 4 hour zones and everything. It's just crazy, you know. Like this one. Oh, this is the daily zone, isn't it? Yeah, this one is the daily zone there. So this is the daily zone here. And we are just breaking like crazy. We can very well come to this one in here, this third zone. Okay, let's play it. This was a mistrade here, but because we rejected here, we rejected this zone, we rejected, and then we broke the high there. Broke the high. The break of this high is the trade. Definitely. Okay, we have loads of momentum right now. Loads of it. Is this just a week down to continue going up? Yep, you cannot sell this. You need to form a support first. If it's the 1 hour close, it's different, but this is the 30-minute close. If we break the high of this candle, I'm in. Definitely in. And the momentum should be arriving with the New York Open, if it arrives. Can also form support here and then move up. Something, something, something recognizable. Nothing to see here. We have the 1 hour there. We have support in here. I just cannot go into a trade in there. Yeah, back inside the range. Yeah, back inside the range. We should reject this zone here. Or that zone there. It was the next 4 hour zone that is rejecting them. Hmm. Yeah. Maybe. The break of the 1 hour. Maybe. Because we are rejecting a 4 hour zone. But let's see if we have now some bullish thing going on here. Back inside the range. We closed back inside the range. Now let's see if we react. Bullish close on the 30 minutes. Not the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Inside the range. Inside the range, depending on what we consider the range. But I consider the range the break of this. For me, this is the range. There is another range here, but this is the major range. This one. So let's see if we break down in here, that might be interesting. If we break up, it also might be interesting, but we are inside the range now, and mm, and yeah. If we break up, this might be very interesting also. 30-minute bullish close at support, because there is a support in here, kind of supporting here. So we can consider this support, and so if we break up, we might be inverting this trend, and we might have room to go. Maybe not retest the high, but at least somewhere in here. So break up or down, this is interesting in here. Very, very interesting. To be honest, I prefer the breakup because it has less troubles in the way. Okay, we broke down. Exactly. Okay, so we broke down. So we are resuming this kind of thing. We reacted here, but we are resuming now. Um, we have some room. That's 10 pips. It's enough to break even the trade, like 12 pip stop, something like that, or even less, like yeah, 11 pips suits me better. I'm gonna sell here. Stop just there. Target this next zone. Accept. Let's see how it goes. We closed below, which was good. But now the M15 is playing tricks with me. If the M15 breaks up, I think I closed the whole trade. Oh, oh man. What I'm expecting. I'm at support. What I'm expecting. It always does this. I'm reversing the trade here. Yeah, I'm reversing the trade. So I'm closing this. What are the trades? I'm closing this one. Might be too early to reverse. You see the 1 hour. If the 1 hour breaks this high, I'm reversing the trade. So I'm just closing this one completely. I don't like that shit. So let's see. Yep, 1 hour broke up. Not yet. That is about to. So I wanna take this break here. Okay. So I'm going to the previous bar. Okay. M15. Previous bar. No, this one. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't. So I'm closing that in there, something like this. Okay. I'm closing the trade here. And now I want to take the 1 hour. So I'm putting less sticks, trying to get it. It's good enough. It's like 0.1 pips of difference. So okay. So I'm buying. Stop just below 16 pips. Target there. Accept. Play this shit. In. Let me speed up this a little bit. Nice close at M15. You see the M30. How many pips do I want? I'm already 11. Let's give it a 1-to-1, isn't it? Okay. Oh. Not sure if it's a 1-to-1 already, but really? Really? Okay, so I'm taking a risk here. It says rejected there. Let me think. 1 hour did that. It's rejecting. M30 closed bullish. It's rejecting and wicking down now. It gave me 14 pips. Really? It gave me 14 pips, but my stop was 16 and I didn't took it. Okay, I need to think about this. Be right back. Yeah, so I'm closing 50% of my trade here. And hope for the best. We might see a rejection of this area here in M15. We might see. That doesn't mean we are going to see. Okay, M15 close rejecting that. Now I'm only taking the full TP. Fuck that. If it goes up, man, this is really. If it breaks the low, I'm closing the whole thing. That was a very nice close. M30, yeah, good enough. Good enough. Wicking down again. This is just garbage, man. Just garbage. It's just ranging now. Rejecting this area again. We are about to close the M15. You see the 1 hour. 1 hour is just a wick down. M30 is still inside. If we break this M30 low, I'm out. And if we break this resistance area now, I'll take another trade. Okay, this is me taking another trade and breaking even this one. Yeah, that's it. Just there. Just there. M15 close bullish. Come on, man, go over that. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. What a piece of shit. No M15 close yet. Okay, M15 close bearish, so I have to close 50% of this trade. Yeah, this is London close already. What a difficult garbage trade, man. Really. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? It's just so annoying. So annoying, man. Oh, finally we are breaking up. 30-minute close bullish. Break those highs. Finally, we broke up. Is this even, man? Okay, closing this one with 16 pips. And the other, let me see the 1 hour. This one I'm taking it, 16 pips, and the other I just managed. Man, this is too annoying. I'm closing, because we are out of time already, so closing everything. Let me see, the next candle should be a shoot up. Oh no, it wasn't. Jesus. What a nightmare. Let's go to the next day. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have dinner. I'll be back in a while. Alright, so this is Tuesday here. Tuesday. No, Thursday. So it starts like this. It starts with a 1 hour close back inside the range. And this is for me, this is a buy immediately. So I'm going to buy it. And maybe we can target this weak fill here. So that's 15. So 15, let's try this. We already broke the high. Good, good, very good. That looks amazing. 8.5. Not enough yet. Just taking it all in the weak fill. Come on, don't bit more, just a bit more. Man, really? Okay. That's the first really good trade. Fucking man, disparating. This simulation. Okay, let's move. Let's see if we can have another trade here. I'll be right back. Okay, and now we are heading into a trouble zone in here. So let's see how this plays. Uh, yeah, we are still, as you can see by the schedule, we still have room for a trade today. So let's see. Um, shit. Okay. Um, Travel zone, travel zone, travel zone, travel zone. Yeah, we might get to the high in there. We might get to the high, but yeah, this is risky in my opinion to take a trade in here. Hmm. Okay, what we have here? 30 minutes. We have this support here, and we have this resistance here. This still looks very good in the 1 hour. Very good. Yeah, yeah, we are going. Ooh, you see the high. Ooh, it kicked out everyone in here. We made the new low. Okay, 15 minutes has closed. Bullish still. Huge rejection on the 30 minutes. Huge rejection on the 1 hour. If we break this 1 hour low, this might be interesting. Ooh, ooh, look at this rejection, man. Look at this rejection. It's just now the stop is way too big. Way too big. Ooh. And we might come here, just retest it, and in M15. Interesting M15. Interesting. Let's see the close of this candle. Man. Okay, rejected. So we have the 30-minute close bearish, 1 hour close bearish. Uh, just troubles here. Like, this is possible. Nah, this is not possible. What we want. What we want is to close below this support. This can very well come here and it looks to me that this is a short. We have the 1 hour bearish, we have the 30-minute bearish, and now we are waking up and we should come down. This week is too far away to break it up, and it's troubles here already. So we need to come down and pass this zone here. I don't know if we are able to do that, but yeah, 1 hour close bearish at resistance. This mm, if it was to the upside, like we would be having a trade, isn't it? Like it seems like sometimes we don't see things the same way in the when it's to the downside. At least me, it seems like I have like a disconnection between the short and the long. But yeah, this is a huge rejection on the 1 hour closing bearish, and the same in M30. So breaking this low, the problem is this shit in here. But we already tested a high. How many pips here? 19. 15 as it is. And we are 23 minutes into the candle. Huge rejection, closing back inside the range. Just too big. This candle alone is off the range. And yeah, I'm not doing it. It's a shame because I know it's going down, but I cannot do it. It would trick me a lot if it went up. Okay, now let's see. Same, we have the same problem, which is this zone in here. Same problem. Only in the 1 hour you don't see the resistance there. But mm, here we go. We broke down already. Waking up, I suppose. No, it was a good thing I didn't took it. Ooh, broke the high, broke the high. So it came, it retested, break the high here, broke the high there. Ooh, oof, oof. The only problem is this in here, but this is a false break. And yeah, and this is a volume time. We are having a lot of momentum to the upside. We break this week. Um, so I think I'm going with stop below this M15 candle here and try to reach the next 4 hour zone. This zone in here. The next, not 4 hour, it's the daily zone. Trying to reach the daily zone. Um, daily looks very bullish. It's just a matter of breaking the high. Which is this week in here. One hour looks very bullish because we just how much is from here to here? 7 pips already. Really doubtful on this one. Really, really doubtful. If this thing was here, I would have no doubts that I would be having this trade. So yeah, I'm having doubts. I'm not taking it. Although I think it's going up now. And this should reach this zone here. Yeah, there we have it. 7 pips already, 8 pips, 9 pips. Yeah. Let's see the close of this M15. All right. Okay. So now if we break this high, yeah, I'm considering this is just a very big stop. 21 pips. Yeah, I'm making it 21 pips if we break the high. What? This is okay. 24 pips. It's just so big of a stop. 24 pips is way above the daily zone. Okay, which is possible in there. It's possible, very possible. Um, but we might have some reaction in this gray zone. So let's see. I'll manage as we touch this zone here. Okay, we touch that zone. Many pips we have there? Two, only 6 pips. That's nothing yet. 7, 10. Man, you gotta let me close something. Go up, go up, go up. Okay. 11. 11 pips. Because we are in this gray zone, I'm closing 50% and setting the rest to break even. Let's see if we can take that target or not. Yeah, it's just, yeah. Anyway, it's still was good. Still was good. It's just the a bit too much of a stop, but still went good. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, so we have the 1 hour rejecting up, coming down, um, back inside the range, kinda. Already did 2 trades today. They were good, both of them. Um, we are 1 hour inside. See if we get another one. 15 minutes is filling the week. Again, this is a daily zone here, so very tricky to trade. Not really. This is a zone, a big zone, not something that, not something light. We broke the high. 4 hour is very bullish. We might weak down in the 4 hour and continue up. This is what it's going to look like. This is what seems that is going to happen. But yeah, well, anyway, I'm not feeling good trading here, so I'm moving to the next day. Mm, mhm. Friday now. So yeah, we end up false breaking that daily zone. Yep, and closing below this zone here. Now we are daily still bullish, but yeah, 4 hour is creating support here. Now he's moving back up. Let's see how it's going to happen. Okay, the 1 hour. 1 hour, what do we have here? Some sort of support here. 1 hour bullish close. Let me take those zones out of here. Even this zone. I don't want this anymore. Again, we have 1 hour closing bullish at support. This is the support here. And 1 hour closing bullish at support. It's not, but then we have a bearish close. So we need to break those highs. We need, because that's really, really difficult. Oh shit. Let me clear all this mess. 4 hours, it looks like it's going up now because it broke the high, it came down, it's creating support in this volume zone here. Also, the 1 hour closed bullish. I would say if we break those highs, why do I have this zone here again? I don't want this zone. Oh, is that zone there? Yeah, but doesn't make sense in here. If we break those weeks high, I think we are good to go long. If we break down here, we are good to come here to the next zone. So let's see. We have this zone here in the 30 minutes. So let's play it. Are we breaking? Not yet. Rejected up. Bearish close again. Okay, we are in that zone of support. Now this is interesting because if we break this week down, yeah, this is a short trying to get to this area here. Now, but we should see rejection from the upside. Let's see. This zone here, we need to break above this. Whoa! Okay, we broke above. We broke above. Yeah, we broke above all this. So I will try to get in with stop just below M30 here. Wow, this was no man, this was like the first 7 seconds. This was news probably. Yeah. Retail sales. Uh, Retail sales? 12:30? No, no, there were no news. Man, but this was the first 7 seconds of the candle. Is this like okay? Okay. Huge rejection from the upside. We break the low there, and now we should see another candle going down. Let's see if we have an entry, or do we have to? Oh man, or do we have to? enter on this one. We have 6 minutes. 6 minutes for the close of this one. Let's see if we have something. Okay, now breaking this low, I mean, okay, I'm going to take a sell here. We didn't broke yet, but okay, let me broke it first. Okay, that was a good call not to take it. Now we have a place to put a stop. Okay, we are still below. Okay, so this is my entry here. With stop above this one. That's 14 pips. And yeah, if I take 14 pips, I'm very happy. 14.3. If I take, I'll put the end of this week here. If I take this, anything, yeah, anything above 14 pips, I'm happy. Let's manage an EM15. Let me put the trades. We are 8 pips up. Bearish. Let me see the 30 minutes to see. Okay, in here I'm taking at least 50% or 80%. Almost get there. Oh man. Come on. Come on. Don't miss my target. Oh shit. Are we good? Come on. Come on down. Down. Okay. Going down. Down. Okay. 13.4. I'm taking 80%. And setting break even. And trying to hit the rest. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. It's just that. 4.44. Okay. So I'm closing here. That's it. That's it. Very happy. Okay. Okay. So, man, I end up with kind of a good week after all this struggling. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going to post this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.